tornado emergency for Essex, Iowa. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern Montgomery County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Page County in southwestern Iowa, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:49 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed 3 miles west of Essex, or 13 miles southwest of Red Oak, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Essex, Iowa. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include an extremely dangerous and tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Essex around 8:55 p.m. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Fremont, Montgomery, and Page.